Worry less about copyright issue because I am here for you. How did I go from this to this? I'll explain every details in this video. Copyright is an exclusive right that the owner of an intellectual property has on his property, and it also protects a creator's work from an unauthorized duplications. This copyright issue might affect your channel and it might not affect your channel. So this is it. So if the content ID creator claims does not affect your content, I would say you are in a good side, but it could also still affect this your content in future. I was just playing around with my phone and I saw some videos that had copyright. This is how I went about it. I went to Google and I did it. So I'll be showing you on the screen on how I did it, how I went from copyright to non-copyright.
Can I be your star tonight?
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to Hannah's vlog. If today is your first time, please do not make it your last time visiting my YouTube channel, and if you are my lovely returning subscribers, you are welcome. So please, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, what are you waiting for? Because this information I am about to drop is going to help you so much. It's going to help you so much. So please click on the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you.
On Google, type YouTube Studio. Once it brings out YouTube Studio, long press on the first one. It will bring out different tabs. Click on Open a New tab. The tab will be opened in the background. Then minimize the tabs and click on the one showing Plain Studio. After loading, it will bring you here where you see your channel dashboard. Zoom into the left hand side. Click on the second icon, which signifies content. It will bring out all your content. Scrolling to the one which has copyright restrictions. Click on it. Keep scrolling to the ones you have copyright. Then click on the copyright. It will bring out details. Click on See Details. It might take some seconds to load. You just have to be patient while it loads. When it is done loading, it will write out time lapse of where the music is copyright. Select action. Click on select action, and then it brings out lists of what you will love to select, which shows the trim out segments, replacing song, mute song, and dispute. I'll be clicking on replace song. And I will click on continue. After it is done loading, it will list out some music you can replace your song with. Since I am not familiar with this music, I will click on Sweetheart, just in case the music will be as sweet as my content. Once I click on the music titled Sweetheart, I will also click on Add, and on my right hand side I will click on Save icon. After clicking on the save icon, it will bring out, are you ready to replace the song? Then you click on save. Yes, you are ready, so click on the save and it's going to load. Once it is loading, this thing used to take time. Since it is processing, you can just minimize your tabs, then it's going to process by itself. Looking at it here, it is showing processing, so it is processing up. It wrote checking one found, so it is still checking.
While waiting for it to load, let's discuss. Funny how I did not even make any research about how to remove copyright videos, but it is something that is general, that most people know, that once your video is copyright, like YouTube will tell you it is copyright. That is, maybe the music you use in that video, the owner claimed the music, or it could be some pictures that you included. So it could be anything. It could also be your thumbnails, because there are some thumbnails you have to pay for. If you do not pay for it and you use it as your thumbnail, you use the design as your thumbnail, the owner is also going to copyright it. Once your video has copyright, that's when it is time to get monetized, most of your money is going to the copyright. So whenever I see that my video there's a copyright on it, I'll just delete it ASAP. But now you don't need to do that. You don't need to do that anymore. You don't need to delete the video and you don't need to be worried about it. All you have to do is either you mute the sound or you attach a new music. There's a music in YouTube music, so it's either you attach the music through that YouTube music and your video is back to non-copyright. You need to see how I was super excited when I got this thing. Like, I didn't even know. I was just playing around with my phone. I went to my YouTube studio, I was checking some stuff, and I was like, look at this video, it has copyright. How can I even, remove this copyright issue? Because I like trying something. I don't know if you could understand how happy I am. So I said I want to make somebody here, yes, you, I want to make you happy. So that's why I'm dropping this video, and I hope this video reach a lot of people so they can do this on their own.
Some few minutes, it is done processing. Then you are going to see none, so it is not copyright anymore. It is non-copyright. Try this video and let me know in the comment section.
Now that you've learned how to make this video, how to remove copyright from your videos, can you now please subscribe to my YouTube channel? Please subscribe and drop your comments in the comment section. Please, nice comment. Thank you. Bye guys.